The available wireless charging feature in your Genesis works with Qi-enabled mobile phones. Check with the manufacturer of your phone to see if it is Qi-enabled. To ensure that the wireless charging system feature is enabled on your vehicle, go to Setup, then Vehicle, then Convenience, then Wireless Charging System. Check the box to turn on wireless charging. Next, find the charging pad in your vehicle. It is normally located next to the USB charging ports in the front passenger area. You can consult your owner's manual for the specific location in your vehicle. Clear all other items from the pad and place your phone at its center. You may need to remove your phone cover first. Also, if you have a magnet on your phone or phone case, this will need to be removed as well. Charging will only take place when all of the vehicle's doors are closed and the Start-Stop button is in the ACC on or start position. Wireless charging may stop temporarily if any of the vehicle's doors are opened or left ajar. When the phone is charging, the pad indicator light will be orange. You can also track the state of charge on the touchscreen. When complete, the indicator light will turn blue. Then you can remove your phone or wait to pick it up when you leave your vehicle. You may notice that your phone feels warm after charging. This is normal and not a cause for concern. If you are using the available digital key function in your Genesis, the wireless charging system may stop temporarily when the digital key is being used. This is normal. And of course, don't forget to remove your phone when you leave your vehicle. For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com.